In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify error processing customer payments. If customers are seeing payment errors at checkout, the most common cause is that no payment method is active or the wrong provider is selected. I'll walk you through the exact spots in your Shopify admin to review and turn on the right options so your store can accept payments smoothly. Start by opening your Shopify admin and landing on the home dashboard. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to manage payments. From here, we're going straight to the place where all checkout payment settings live. Look to the bottom left corner of your admin and click Settings. This is your control center for store configuration. Once you're inside Settings, select Payments. This page shows every payment method you can offer, along with any that are already connected. If an error is happening because nothing is active, you'll typically see prompts encouraging you to set up or activate a provider. Next, confirm that your primary payment option is activated. If you see an Activate or Setup button for your main gateway, click it and follow the on-screen guidance to complete the activation. When activation is successful, the status will show as active, and you'll usually see a summary of accepted cards or methods. If you don't see an active status here, that's a strong indicator of why customers are encountering errors at checkout. If you want to provide additional ways for customers to pay, or your region requires a different processor, click Choose a Provider. This opens a list of available third-party providers and alternative payment methods. Pick the provider that fits your business, then connect it by following the prompts. Once added, it should also appear on the Payments page with a clear active label when it's ready to use. Offering more than one method can reduce failed checkouts and helps if one processor has temporary issues. A couple of quick tips while you're on this page. Double-check that your store currency and location align with what your payment provider supports, and review any notices or banners that appear in payments, as they often highlight missing information that can block transactions. Always save any changes and give the page a moment to refresh so the new status can update. That's it. By opening your Shopify admin, going to Settings, then Payments, activating your primary payment option, and choosing a provider when needed, you'll resolve most error processing customer payments issues and keep your checkout running smoothly.